Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about a little bit of hand protection, but I'm not talking about heavy-duty work gloves or anything like that. I'm talking about a different type of glove. I'm talking about the nitrile gloves. Somebody going, nitrile gloves? Oh, you mean latex? No, not latex. Latex is weaker than nitrile, and people have latex allergies. So what I'm talking about is nitrile examination gloves, like these from Sam's Club. We go through a lot of these. How do we go through a lot of these? Well, all right, just some examples of how I use them. When I'm working with fiberglass, I'm going to be doing a lot of fiberglass cutting and stuff. I will put on a pair of these to keep my hands from getting the fiberglass fibers into it, getting all itchy and everything. I'm working with cement. Oh yeah, I will wear these gloves when I'm working with cement, and I'll double layer them. Cement really dries out your hands, the powder will and stuff, and even the wet stuff will dry them out and get your hands will start cracking and everything else. This protects your hands and keeps them from doing that. If I'm working with certain glues and stuff, I'll put a pair of these on, because if I get some on the glove, it's no big deal. After I get done gluing what I got, I just peel it off and in the trash it goes. If I'm working on changing the oil in the car, I wear these gloves. If I'm greasing the tractor, I wear these gloves. There's a lot of things you can use these gloves for to keep your hands clean, where you don't have to put chemicals on your hands to clean your hands. All right? So think about it. Is this something you can use? All right. They come in different sizes. They got small, medium, large, and extra large are the standard ones you can get. You can order extra large if you need them. So yeah, something to have. All righty. So stay safe no matter what life throws at you, whether it's glue or grease or whatever else on your hands. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, and skills. Learn a new skill and get extra prepared for this winter.